have a question, and it's a little weird, but why is this key called the shift key? You get any idea?
Nah, no.
I asked around, and since no one knew the answer, I did a little research, but I found that the answer was in a 200-year-old device, daddy of the keyboard, the typewriter. And so I bought one.
A big shift!
You see, it turns out before the shift key was invented, typewriters had a big problem. They had separate keys for both lowercase letters and uppercase letters, meaning you had two full keyboards on one typewriter, but it still had just 10 fingers. And so typing on this thing was definitely a hassle, and it was too bulky too, as you can imagine. But the actual machine itself, the typewriter, is very simple. So simple that I can compare it to an office stamp. Now watch closely. Each key on the typewriter has its own bar. So when I press a key, that bar swings up and smacks the paper to imprint that letter. But what you don't see is that on top of the type bar is the font, the letter, the design, whatever you want to call it, just like what you see on the office stamp. But this time, it has both uppercase and lowercase on the same block. So when I'm typing normally going about my day, it is the bottom side, the lowercase, that is hitting the paper. But when I need uppercase, I hold down this key that was invented and it shifts the mechanism, the typing basket down, so that the upper side can now hit the paper. So that's where it got its name. The shift key quite literally physically shifts the mechanism down so that the other characters at the top can be typed, the upper characters can be typed. Isn't that interesting? I'm Sean, and if you found this helpful, hey, why helpful? I'm Sean, and if you learned something remotely new today, feel free to follow for more stuff like this.